Life isn't easy from a singular side. Down in the hole, some emotions are hard to hide. It's your decision, it's a chance you take. It's on your head, it's a habit that's hard to break. Do you need a friend? Would you tell no lies? Would you take me in? Are you lonely in the dark? In the dark. In the dark. In the dark. You never listen to the voices inside. They fill your ears as you run to a place to hide. You're never sure if the illusion is real. You pinch yourself, but the memories are all you feel. Can you break away from your alibis? Can you make a play? Will you meet me in the dark? 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 Don't you need me? Don't you need me? Don't you need me? Don't you leave me? You take no interest, no opinions too dear. You make the rounds and you try to be so sincere. You guard your hopes and you pocket your dreams. You trade it all to avoid an unpleasant scene. Can you face the fire when you see me there? Can you feel the fire? Will you love me in the dark? 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 I'll be waiting in the dark. Educators tell me the cost of education is too high. My reply, the cost of ignorance cannot be measured.
This video was made and brought to you by Michelle Radio.